Field, is that you, Robbie, over?
Roger, Dave. Mike 0, Kilo Papa Delta, stroke mobile. You're not too strong. About a 5x8, a 58,
Yeah,
5 and 8, over.
Okay. Yeah, you're competing with a lot of noise, Robbie. I think you gave him a 5.9. About 3x9 with my Q0RK level tonight is very high. Over.
Roger, Dave. Well, a 3x9 is good enough for me, and I know you have lots of noise. The static is rising here also with the CME. But Dave, you are 5 and 8. 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 58, Dave. Over.
Okay, that 5x8. 5x8. Roger.
Good contact, Dave. Thank you
high
very
noise
much.
level.
Let's hope for better conditions later in the month. But good to hear you on 80 meters. I wish you 73, always a pleasure, and I pass back to Freddy. 73, Dave, thank you. Go ahead, Freddy.
Okay, good one. Okay, stand by. K0RK, stand by, Dave. Stand by. K0RK listening to Mitko. Tango Victor, make your call.
Thank you. K0 Radio Kilowatt, this is London, Zulu 3 Tango Victoria. Lima, Zulu 3 Tango Victor, over.
Ima mnogo silna statika pred nego. Okay, I'm so sorry, but I'm go QSON 40 meters. Until me na 4 side.
Yeah, I think the band is going out, Benny.
Let me try it.
Band is going out.
Roger.
Also dropping down near noise, so I'm going to call and quit.
This is the drop now.
I will call
Must go chew me down.
with the
Казвате,
band noise that I have. So, 73 is the
Thomas.
again tomorrow night. Hopefully, conditions will be a bit better because the noise level is high here in Florida by me. 73, Freddie, the morning. Have a great weekend. We'll talk real soon. LZ2ZFK0, 73 and ciao.
Okay, Roger, Dave. Roger. But I'm QSY. I'm go QSON 40 meters. But listening to Günther Delta Kilo 5. But I'm go QSON 40. 73 and see you again next one. Bye, my friend. Günther, make your call. Give the call.
Thank you so much for the microphone, Fedi. Kilowatt 0, Radio Kilowatt. Dave, please listen. Delta Kilo 5, Oscar November Victor /portable. Delta Kilo 5, Oscar November Victor /portable. Any copy on me, David? Over.
Lima Zulu 3 Tango Victor, do you copy me?
David, Kilowatt 0, Radio Kilowatt, K0RK. This is Delta Kilo 5, Oscar November Victor /portable. Over.
Oscar Lima November. Do you copy London Zulu 3 Tango Victor?
I copy Lima Zulu 3 Tango Victor. I tried to work David. Hold on. Let me write down your call sign. Lima Zulu 3 Tango Victor. You're 5 and 9 at the shores of the Rhine River. And my name is Günther, QSL.
QSL Calling Whiskey Alpha 9 Oscar Lima November is calling Freddy Elvis 2 Zulu Fox. I'm Lima Zulu 3 Tango Victor, you're 5-9, my name is Mitko, Mexico, Italy, Tango, Kilo, Oscar. Thank you, Winter.
QSL Mitko, a very good morning into Bulgaria. You 5-9 plus at the shores of the Rhine River. No problem, I just tried to make contact with Dave with the Kilo Zero Radio Kilowatt, and his noise level is too high. He is not hearing me. Mitko, take the microphone and make your calls. Thank you so much for your patience, and a happy Saturday morning to you, 7-3.
Thank you, Winter. Wish you all the best. Great morning to you also, and have a nice weekend from Lima Zulu 3 Tango Victor. Good luck.
Thank you so much, 7-3.
73. Whiskey Alpha 9 Oscar Lima November. Do you copy London Zulu 3 Tango Victoria?
Nearly викала бег вече на 40.
Давай тези, как си Бързия Гонзалес, викай го то.
Whiskey Alpha 9 Oscar Lima November. I'm Lima Zulu 2 Zulu Foxtrot, Louisiana. Just a second. Lima Zulu 2 Zulu Foxtrot, Lima Zulu 2